How to make your Vimeo account. Hello everyone, I'm here to guide you how you can make your Vimeo account. So if you want to make your Vimeo account, you have to follow this simple step. First of all, you have to navigate to your any browser that you prefer, and after that you have to search for the vimeo.com on your tab. Once you are on your Vimeo.com, you can go for the login option here. So if you have already an account, just go for the login option. So if you don't have an account of Vimeo, just go for the Vimeo and you can continue with your Google account here. So you have to just go for the Google account and choose your preferred Google account from the list and tap on the continue option. After that, here you can see that you will be successfully logged into your Vimeo account. So on your Vimeo account, you can drag and drop the video to upload or select video from your device. You have to just go for the select file and go for your file and you can select your video here, just like this. And once you are uploading your video on your Vimeo app, you can set it to your public here and you can upload your video on your Vimeo app. Also, you can delete your video. So this is the simple step how you can make your account on your Vimeo app. How you can make your account on your Vimeo. That's it for today. If you like this video, please hit that like button and subscribe for more. I will see you in the next one. Thank you.